Oil pulling is an oral health routine that involves swishing oil in the mouth to remove bacteria and promote oral hygiene. Swishing is done in a similar way to mouthwash, but for a much more extended period. Coconut oil is a highly absorbable oil with several health benefits, including reducing inflammation and fighting harmful bacteria in the mouth. In this video we are showing you 4 science-backed benefits of oil pulling, and also in the end the correct way to do it to get its maximum benefit. 1. Kills harmful bacteria in the mouth. The mouth contains hundreds of bacteria, some of which are harmful and can lead to tooth decay, bad breath, and gum disease. Several studies have shown that oil pulling can reduce the number of bacteria found in the saliva and can help support proper oral hygiene. 2. Reduce bad breath. Halitosis, also known as bad breath, is a condition that affects an estimated 50% of the population. Bad breath is generally due to poor oral hygiene, tongue coating, infection, or gum disease which result in bacteria buildup in mouth. Treatment for the removal of the bacteria includes brushing or by using an antiseptic mouthwash. In a study it was found that oil pulling was as effective as mouthwash at reducing bad breath. 3. Prevent cavities. Cavities stem from tooth decay. Poor oral hygiene, eating too much sugar and buildup of bacteria can all cause tooth decay, which leads to the formation of holes in the teeth known as cavities. Plaque can also cause cavities by forming a coating of bacteria, saliva, and food particles on the teeth that can damage the enamel. In addition to brushing and flossing, oil pulling can decrease the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth and helps to prevent cavities. 4. Reduce inflammation and improve gum health. The bacteria in plaque can lead to a common gum disease called gingivitis, which is characterized by red, swollen, and inflamed gums that bleed easily. Research suggests that coconut oil can reduce inflammation, and oil pulling can be an effective remedy to improve gum health and reduce inflammation in the mouth. In a study, oil pulling with coconut oil reduced the amounts of plaque and showed an improvement in gum health of the participants. Now let's see how to do oil pulling. Step 1. Measure 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Step 2. Swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, but be careful not to swallow it. Step 3. Once you're done, spit the oil in a trash can. Avoid spitting into the sink or toilet, as it can lead to clogging. Step 4. Before eating or drinking anything, properly rinse your mouth with water. If you find this video informative, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here are some other videos you may like to watch. Thanks for watching.